Today we are going to learn about Newton's universal law of gravitation. This Newton's universal law of gravitation states that force of attraction between any two masses is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them and acts along the line joining the centers of two masses. So, you consider this. If you observe this figure, here mass m1 is there, here is the mass m2. They are separated by the distance r. This distance is between the distance of the centers. You have to take the distance between the centers of the masses. So that you observe what we are saying, force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses. So, F is directly proportional to the product m1 into m2. This is first equation. And it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Distance between them is r, so its square is r square. It is inversely proportional, so we are writing as F is inversely proportional to r square. F is equals to 1 by r square. This is second equation. From this we can get the equation as F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. To remove the proportionality, we have to take one constant. That constant is capital G. So that we are getting F is equals to G into m1 m2 by r square. And capital G is called universal gravitational law constant. That is constant. Its value is G is equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. You observe this. To show the powers, we are writing this using this symbol. So 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. And these units are, SI units are Newton, meter square, kg minus 2. So observe this. From these two masses we are taking as m1 and m2, and force of attraction F is equals to F1, that is equals to F2, that is attraction of m1 due to m2 and attraction of m2 due to m1. Those are forces F1 and F2 are equal, and we are calling capital F. F is equals to G into m1 m2 by r square. We will observe the values, taking values example, giving example values m1 for m2 and distance. We will calculate the values in the next video. Thank you. To discuss about Newton's universal gravitational law. It states that force of attraction between any two masses is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So, that we will get the equation F is equals to capital G into m1 m2 by r square. This capital G is universal gravitational constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. Now we will clearly understand observing the picture. We are taking mass 1 and mass 2 now. Here they are having distance between 5.7 kilometers. Now mass 1 is 2 billion kgs and mass 2 is 4 billion kgs. If you calculate the force using the equation, we will get force between them as 16.4 newtons. If you vary the mass, you are increasing mass 1. Observe this. Mass 1, we are decreasing mass 1 by 1 kg. Now it is we are putting distance same, so it became 8.2 newtons. Again observe here, we are increasing mass 2, then calculated value is 10.3 newtons. So that we can either change the masses or we can change the distance. Observe, if we decrease the distance, it is decreased to 3.4 kilometers. Then force is 30.6 newtons. See, observe this. What you have to observe, if you are increasing the distance, the force will be decreased. Observe this. Force is decreasing. If you increase the masses, then force will be increased. We are increasing the mass 1. Observe this. You can increase mass 1 or mass 2. It is 37.0 now, 3 billion kgs. If you increase 4 billion kgs, it is 49.4 newtons. So that what can we understand? The force of attraction between two masses is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Thank you.